Hello everyone. Today you will study adverb and its kinds. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where and how often the action is done. Now look at some of the examples of adverb. First example, she gladly accepted the invitation. Here the word gladly is an adverb. Second example is we should treat birds and animals kindly. Here the word kindly is an adverb. Next example is she generously gives to the needy. Here in this sentence the word generously is an adverb. Next example is he hurriedly left the place. Here in this sentence hurriedly is an adverb. Next example is he gently held the bird in his hand. Here in this example, the word gently is an adverb. Next example is she spoke loudly in anger. In this sentence, the word loudly is an adverb. The next example is the boy suddenly saw a crab. In this sentence, the word suddenly is an adverb. Next example is he hungrily ate his food. In this sentence, the word hungrily is an adverb. Now, look at the next example. Children play with each other happily. In this sentence, the word happily is an adverb. The next example is Sunaina always dresses very elegantly. In this sentence, the word elegantly is an adverb. Now, you will study kinds of adverbs. The first kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of time. Third adverb is adverb of place. And fourth adverb is adverb of degree. Now, first of all, you will study about adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is used to express the manner in which action takes place. It answers the questions how. Now, look at some of the examples of adverb of manner. First example is he went home hurriedly. Second example, Ram ran slowly. Third example, Sanjay walked quickly. Fourth example is the cat slept quietly. In all these examples, all the underlined words like hurriedly, slowly, quickly, quietly are adverb of manner. Second adverb is adverb of time. It is used to express the time when an action happened. It answers the question when. Now, look at some of the examples of adverb of time. The first example is the guest will arrive tomorrow. Second example is Karthik got up late. Third example is you must get up early. And the fourth example is my father will return soon. In these examples, all the underlined words like tomorrow, late, early and soon indicate adverb of time. Third adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place is used to indicate the venue or place where action takes place. It answers the question where. Now, look at some of the examples of adverb of place. First example, Amandeep went upstairs. Second example, Rajan went outside. Third example, Kavita put her book here. Fourth example, I searched for my book everywhere. In these examples, all the underlined words like upstairs, outside, here and everywhere indicate adverb of place. Now, the fourth adverb is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree is used to express the degree or intensity with which action takes place. It answers the question to what extent or how much. Now, look at some of the examples of adverb of degree. The first example is I fully agree with you. Second example, it is very cold. Example 3, this sum is extremely difficult. Example 4, the house was totally destroyed. In all these examples, all the underlined words like fully, very, extremely and totally indicate adverb of degree. Now you will learn how to form adverbs from adjectives. Some adverbs can be formed by adding ly to the adjectives. For example, warm plus ly warmly, clear plus ly clearly, bad plus ly badly, neat plus ly neatly. Rule second to form adverb from the adjective is when the adjective ends in y, we change the y to I and add ly. For example, angry angrily, happy happily, easy easily, dirty dirtily. In all these examples, we changed y into I and added ly to form adverbs from adjectives. Rule 3 for the formation of adverb from adjective is when the adjective ends in e, we drop the e and add ly. For example, true, truly, terrible, terribly. Fourth rule for the formation of adverb from adjective is in some cases when the adjective ends in e, we keep the final e and add ly. For example, brave, bravely, rude, rudely, nice, nicely. A point to be noted that some adverb of manner such as fast, early, little, long, low, hard, straight, far, left and well do not change their form at all.